Hello guys, welcome. You're watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to go for reset, simultaneously how to go for backup of any MI set. So see at the moment, I would like to back up this set because it's hanged. So that's why I would like to back up and restore. Simultaneously also I would like to go for reset of this device. So how I will go for it? Simply just I have to click on a setting. In setting just see guys here I have to go for about phone. So now see guys here just I have to scroll up and I have to come on backup and reset. Sorry, let me have backup and reset. Fine. Now see guys here what we have to do. If you would like to restore from MI XiaoMi, so you can restore from there. So see restore from XiaoMi cloud. So this one if you would like to restore, so you can go for it. Yeah, otherwise if you would like to setting backup, you can here simultaneously here. If you would like to backup account, of course you can go. Otherwise automatically restore, of course you can go here. If you would like to reset factory, so you can. So just I will go for reset factory all the data. So now what we have to do, see all the file on the phone, yeah, format mock SD card. So which one you would like to? If you would like to format mock SD card, yeah, all the files on the phone. So all the files. So here see guys, what will happen? All files, data, including account, contact, photo, simultaneously apps. So just I will go for here all. Now let's see what will happen here. I have to go for here. It's not taking here. Just I will click here. I will go for reset phone. Now here I have to enter the password here guys. I will go for next. Now see. Now I will go for next directly. Well, I will go for next now. Now it has started to go for reset. Let's see what will happen guys here. Because this device was doing hang well update, so that's why I decided to go for reset format. So let's see what will happen of this device. So if you're facing this problem guys, you can go for reset. Might be virus and bug, due to that actually the set is going to hang. So if that is a basic detrimental behind that, and then definitely this problem will solve. In Android, sometimes as we know that this problem comes, so definitely we have to question the clue what is the proper solution for that. So that's why I decided to go for reset firstly. Let's see if it's going to be properly worked, then of course and that will be a proper solution, otherwise I will go for flash of this Android device. So let's see, firstly I'm waiting to see that this problem is solved or not, otherwise with the help of the computer I will go for flash. Generally guys, actually 5 to 10 minutes it's being taken for reset format. So let's see what will happen. What's the completion? Still it's not completed, so you have to watch till complete. So let's see. And sometimes see guys, after resetting it's stuck on this mode and this three dot is not working. In the situation you have to go for flash, otherwise you won't get a proper solutions because it's stuck. But at the moment it's not stuck, so still it's working. So let's see. But all the data is being, as we know, formatted, so definitely I will have to wait. Let's see what will happen. Fine guys, now see. Just I will go for next. I have to select the language here. I will go for next. I will select the country. I will go for next. Now see guys, here just I will go for Google, just a global board. Let's see here. Just let me go for here skip. Here just I have to go for next. I have to accept it. Firstly, term and condition. Then I have to go for just skip. So still it's checking for update, and then within few seconds it will open. So see guys, copy your data, set as a new phone. Yes, I would like to set as a new phone. Let's see what will happen. Now see guys, here I have to create, so I will skip it, no problem at all. I will go for here accept now. I will go for no thanks now. Now see guys, my account I have to create here, so new one similarly. So just I will go for skip it, no problem at all, and I will go for continue it. Skip. Do you want to go for letter setting? So I will go for here skip it. Now finger sensor end, so I will skip it, no problem at all. Just and here just I will go for. Now see guys, I will select this ones. Now I will go for here next. So see guys, here just you have to deselect which one don't want. So this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. According to your own visualization, you can select which are imported apps for you. So here this one also I will deselect. This one I will deselect here, and this one also I will deselect. This one also. Now yeah, otherwise you can install at the moment, or otherwise you can skip, no problem at all. So just let me, and just let me go for OK. Now set a complete. Now let's see what will happen guys. I know video is lengthy, but this is very important. That's how you will go for reset or format of any XiaoMi MI set. So still it's loading. Before resetting guys, it was hanged, but well, we used to operate this device, but now see, I think it's the proper solved. But however, let's come first on a menu. Now see guys, here just I will go for next. Now see, it's a completely done. Now see guys, it's working in the proper way. Now see, yes, it's working at all and good way. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. My motive is if your set is going to hang while you operate any MI device, then how you will go for reset and reformat and backup of your MI set. So you have gotten a proper solution in this videos, I hope. So thank you very much in this video tutorial guys. This is all about. If this video has acknowledged you in any way, then please don't forget like and subscribe to my channels, because this is the thing that will inspire me to make more and more video for education purpose guys. So thank you very much. Have a great time. Bye bye. Keep watching Technology Welfare.